cute skirt I'm wearing. And if you want to learn how, make sure you stay tuned. But before we get on to that, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notifications bell. Let's get on to the video. So we are now in my room, and as you guys can see, my shirt is a little too small for me. And I would just usually either give it away or throw it in the garbage. But we're going to transform this shirt into a skirt. Okay guys, so for easy 2 steps, all you have to do is get your shirt, and now you're going to put it on like this. So this is optional, you can tie it up however you like, but I'm going to tie it up like this. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, I paired this up with some brown boots and a tan sweater. My complete look, and guys, can you even tell that this is a shirt? I have one more transformation to show you guys, so let's get right on to it. Okay guys, here's our second look, and I really like this shirt, but the thing is, it's getting a little small for me also. So we are going to be using the same steps that we used in the first look, except we're going to be using a button-up shirt. So I'm just going to be buttoning these down. Let's see. One. So when that's done, guys, all you have to do is take your sleeves. So I'm just going to tie them like this. So guys, I paired up my outfit with some pink leggings and some black boots. So what do you guys think about this one? Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below. Which one was your favorite one? And if you made one, tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see it. Don't forget to